Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of headphone upgrades with a look at these SOULWIT replacement Earpads designed specifically for the Sennheiser Accentum and Accentum Plus wireless headphones. If your Accentums are starting to show their age, or if you're just looking for a boost in comfort and sound, these might be just what you need. Right out of the package, you can feel the quality of these Earpads. They're made with what SOULWIT calls high-grade protein leather, and it definitely has a soft, supple feel. It's not quite the same as genuine leather, of course, but it seems durable and well-constructed. The stitching is clean and even, which is always a good sign. The padding underneath is high-density foam, and you can tell just by squeezing them that they're going to provide a good seal. One of the biggest complaints with stock Earpads, especially on headphones that see a lot of use, is that the foam loses its shape and density over time. This can affect not only comfort, but also sound quality. SOULWIT seems to have addressed this with their thicker, denser foam. They claim this design enhances bass and provides excellent noise isolation, so we'll definitely be putting those claims to the test. Installation is always a concern with replacement Earpads, but SOULWIT includes a detailed user guide. They claim the process takes about 5 minutes, and from my experience, that's pretty accurate. The Earpads fit snugly and securely onto the Accentums, with no awkward gaps or loose fitting. They really do look like they came with the headphones originally. Now, for the moment of truth, the sound test. I've been using these SOULWIT Earpads for a few days now, and I'm genuinely impressed. The difference in comfort is immediately noticeable. The thicker padding creates a much better seal around my ears, which not only blocks out more external noise, but also creates a more immersive listening experience. As for the sound quality, the bass is definitely more pronounced, but not in an overpowering way. It adds a richness and depth to the music that was lacking with the worn-out original Earpads. The overall clarity of the sound also seems improved, likely due to the better seal. SOULWIT emphasizes their commitment to developing professional and ergonomic Earpads, and it shows. They also offer replacements or refunds if there are any issues, which is always reassuring. If you're looking to breathe new life into your Sennheiser Accentum or Accentum Plus headphones, these SOULWIT replacement Earpads are definitely worth considering. They offer a noticeable improvement in comfort and sound quality at a reasonable price. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.